today's video, I would like to show us, I would like to unveil and start a course on Chat GPT. I know most of us must have heard of it before. For those that have not, and for those that are new to it, I'm just going to quickly do a brief explanation of it before we start, before we open the account and do everything. All right. So like I said, today I'm going to demystify Chat GPT. Understand? It's actually it's a new application of JANs. What is the full meaning of JANs? JANs is generative adversarial networks. Okay, and it has been generating a lot of buzzes in the AI community recently. Right. So for those that are really unfamiliar with JANs, they are a type of network that, how will I put it? They are like a type of neural network that uses two competing networks. Okay, a generator and a discriminator. So those are the two. They use a two network. There must be a generator and a discriminator. Okay, so now to actually create, they use it to create realistic looking outputs. So the generator creates, so it works like the generator creates what's it called, fake outputs, and the discriminator tries to tell the difference between the fake output and the real world data. So it's a lot. So it is this same idea, this same concept that Chat GPT is actually working on. It takes this concept and applies it to what, to the text. I would text-based conversation. Okay, it applies it to what, to the text-based conversation. So it uses JANs, okay, to generate responses, to input text, you understand, allowing it to what, to engage in natural surrounding conversation with humans. So but here's the thing. Here's the thing. We can't really see, okay, that how will I put it now? We can't really say that ChatGPT is JAMS. It is not JAMS. You understand? It is more of it's a transformer. Okay, the full meaning of ChatGPT, by the way, is generative pre-trained transformer. Okay, it's a generative pre-trained transformer. So you cannot necessarily call it JAMS because it is not JAMS, right? So that's it. So I'm not going to take our time explaining, and if you there is a course available for this. If you want it, I'm going to put my mobile number, my WhatsApp number in the comment section, so you can reach out to me if you want the course. It's just at the token. All right. So let me just quickly dive into it, and let me uh, show you how to actually go about it. Now, this is the platform I used before. This is a browser I have been using, and I can't use this browser again because I've already opened GPT here with my email, almost all my email address and my phone numbers. So I want to go over to a new browser. So I'm going to minimize this, and I will go to. Let me see if I can open a new browser here. Let me see. Okay, let me use Microsoft Edge. All right, so yes, I'm using Microsoft Edge. So by the way, Microsoft Edge is another. I'm going to explain Microsoft Edge to you later on. This is another, what's it called, AI platform you can also use. Works, in fact, it's even ChatGPT. It's work like ChatGPT. Okay, so let's just quickly dive into it. So I'm going to, if you want to access ChatGPT, you first of all go to chat.openai.com. Can you see it? Chat.openai.com. So you click enter. So it's going to take you to this page. Now I'm not using the phone number that I've already used before. Okay, because if you do that, it's not going to work. It's going to tell you to log in instead of to sign in. So I'm going to use another number. I'm not going to use the same number. I'm going to use another number. So I'll sign up So after signing, I'll click on sign up. Then I'll put email address I've not also used before. All right, I'm going to put email address I've not used before. So let me just use this. This is one of my email address. Let me use this. Um, then after putting your email address here, what you are going to do next is to click continue. Okay. Okay, sorry if I didn't put at. Sorry. Let me put at. Okay. Okay, so you put a password, you need your password. So I'm going to put any password. All right. Um, oh, sorry, I missed. Okay, so that's my password there. So then I'll click, you click what? Continue. So after clicking continue, you wait for it. It's going to ask you to, yeah, got it. So next thing that's going to happen now is, yeah, so it's going to, okay, not this. Let me go back to this. Okay, so it's asking me to verify my Gmail account. Okay, it's asking me to verify. So I'll go over to my Gmail account and I'll verify. So, but I don't want to do it on a different browser. I'm going to do it on the same browser. So I'm going to open Gmail here and I'm going to sign in here. Okay, I don't want to use another one, so I'm going to sign in here. I'm going to let me sign out this at another account. So I'm going to use another account. I'm going to sign in my, yeah, this one. Then uh, okay, so it's going to take me to my account now, and I'm going to verify the email. It's important to do these things. If you don't, you can see the email address here. This is it here. So I'll open it, then I'll click verify. So after verification, it's going to ask you your first name. So I'm just going to use a random name. All right. Remember, I'm using a random name. Okay. Uh, let me use my surname here. Okay. Then for your birthday, you can just put anything. If you have been watching my video, you know that I have a random date. I usually put my birthday. So that's the same one I'm going to use today. Yeah, this is the part, the phone number. So you need to use a phone number that you've not used before. All right, you need to use a phone number you've not used before. So, okay, so it's going to send us a code. It's going to send us a code. Yeah. So let's go over to our phone and see. So we have our code now. I'm going to type it here. 339957. So that's the code. So after putting the code, it's going to load. So it will take you to this place. So the next thing I'm going to do, this is just like the introduction of it. So we click next. We click next. It's showing you how they actually collect data and everything. So just click next. Then click done. So there you go. You have it. All right. Now this is just the what's it called? This is not the paid version, but it can still do so much. It can still do a lot. It can still do almost everything. All right. So this is it. So these are the examples. Okay, this is the capabilities, this is the limitations and everything. So this is how you can actually create your Chat GPT account. That is how to create it. All right. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to actually use it. Okay, so I don't want this video to be too long. So I'm going to show you how to actually use it. And from there, because I'm not going to be using this account, I'll be using another account. I just wanted to show you how to actually create it. So I'm going over to my own account now to show you. So, and that will be my next video. So stay connected to Smart Tech Media Solution. I'll see you.